From coast to coast, the United States boasts a vibrant culinary landscape, offering a plethora of dining experiences that cater to every palate. Whether you're craving innovative fine dining or seeking comfort in traditional flavors, the country's top restaurants promise a gastronomic journey like no other. Here are 7 culinary gems that stand out among the finest establishments in the USA. 11 Madison Park, New York City, New York. Nestled in the heart of Manhattan, 11 Madison Park consistently earns its place among the world's best restaurants. Under the visionary leadership of Chef Daniel Humm, this 3 Michelin-starred establishment delivers an unparalleled dining experience characterized by exquisite tasting menus that showcase seasonal ingredients in innovative ways. From the iconic New York dish to the impeccable service and elegant Art Deco ambience, a meal at 11 Madison Park is nothing short of extraordinary. French Laundry, Yountville, California. Tucked away in the picturesque Napa Valley, French Laundry is a culinary institution revered for its meticulous attention to detail and unrivaled dedication to the art of fine dining. Helmed by Chef Thomas Keller, this acclaimed restaurant offers a transformative gastronomic journey through its meticulously crafted tasting menus, which highlight the finest ingredients sourced from local purveyors and the restaurant's own garden. With its timeless elegance and impeccable service, French Laundry continues to captivate diners from around the world. Alinea, Chicago, Illinois. Renowned for its boundary-pushing cuisine and avant-garde approach to dining, Alinea has solidified its status as one of the most innovative restaurants in the USA. Led by Chef Granda Chats, this 3 Michelin-starred establishment delights guests with its multi-sensory tasting menus, where culinary artistry meets scientific precision. From edible balloons to tableside theatrics, each dish at Alinea is a masterpiece that challenges the norms of traditional fine dining and invites diners to embark on a culinary adventure unlike any other. The Inn at Little Washington, Washington, Virginia. Situated in the idyllic countryside of Virginia, the Inn at Little Washington is a culinary oasis renowned for its impeccable cuisine and timeless charm. Chef Patrick O'Connell's inventive American fare celebrates the bounty of the region, with each dish reflecting a deep reverence for seasonal ingredients and artisanal craftsmanship. From the elegant dining rooms adorned with whimsical decor to the warm hospitality that pervades every aspect of the experience, a meal at the Inn at Little Washington is a celebration of culinary excellence and heartfelt hospitality. Per Se, New York City, New York. Perched atop the Time Warner Center overlooking Central Park, Per Se embodies the epitome of refined dining in the heart of New York City. Helmed by Chef Thomas Keller, this 3 Michelin-starred restaurant offers an exquisite tasting menu experience that showcases the finest ingredients sourced from around the world. With its impeccable service, sophisticated ambience, and culinary prowess, Per Se continues to enchant diners with its timeless elegance and unparalleled attention to detail. SingleThread, Healdsburg, California. Nestled in the heart of Sonoma County, SingleThread Farm is a culinary sanctuary where the farm-to-table ethos is taken to new heights of sophistication. Chef Kyle Connaughton's inventive Japanese-inspired cuisine celebrates the bounty of the restaurant's own farm, where every ingredient is cultivated with care and reverence for the land. From the meticulously crafted tasting menus to the serene dining rooms overlooking the garden, a meal at SingleThread is a harmonious symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas that reflects the essence of the season. Le Bernardin, New York City, New York. With its unwavering commitment to seafood excellence, Le Bernardin has earned its place as one of the world's premier destinations for fine dining. Under the guidance of Chef Eric Reipert, This 3 Michelin-starred restaurant showcases the pristine flavors of the ocean with impeccable technique and artful presentation. From the elegant dining room, adorned with sleek contemporary decor, to the impeccable service that anticipates every need, a meal at Le Bernardin is a transcendent culinary experience that celebrates the bounty of the sea with unparalleled sophistication. In conclusion, these 7 restaurants represent the pinnacle of culinary excellence in the United States, each offering a unique and unforgettable dining experience that reflects the rich diversity of the country's gastronomic landscape. Whether you're indulging in the innovative creations of 11 Madison Park or savoring the timeless elegance of French Laundry, a meal at any of these establishments promises to be a culinary journey like no other.